You think leadership is a common case? No. Esther said, if I perish, I perish. Every profession has its own risk. If you're not willing to take the risk that is attached to any profession, step aside.
In a trending video making rounds on social media, Kenneth Okonkwo, the legendary Nollywood actor turned politician, has sparked quite a stir. Known for his acting prowess and more recently for his political stance, Kenneth was seen throwing subtle shades at Peter Obi, the former presidential candidate for the Labour Party in the 2023 elections. His remarks in the video seem to suggest that if someone cannot handle the risks and challenges involved in politics, they should just step aside.
Look at what happened to Donald Trump. In America, where security is everywhere. Yet, 2 times now they wanted to kill him. Every profession has its own risk. If you're not willing to take the risk that is attached to any profession, step aside so that people who are given that mind by God will go ahead and serve God in that capacity.
Which many are interpreting as a direct message aimed at Peter Obi. Is this really fair? Let's know in the comments. This has naturally caused a buzz online with reactions coming in from all corners. When I mean reaction, mixed reactions. Some are actually in favor of Peter Obi, while some are in favor of Kenneth Okonkwo. Some people are encouraging Kenneth Okonkwo to run for president in 2027, praising his courage and saying he might have the heart for it. Others see his comments as unnecessary jabs at Peter Obi, who still enjoys massive support from a large section of the
If
population.
you're an actor and an actress and you say you're not going to hug babes and you're not going to kiss them, step aside. Because that's what the job is. Don't come and say you're a born again Christian. That's what the job entails. If you're a politician and you can't stand for your people that voted for you, and because you don't want to die, step aside. Because that's what the job entails.
So, is Kenneth Okonkwo subtly positioning himself as a potential candidate for 2027 election? Or is this just another heated political exchange? While he hasn't outright declared his intentions just yet, the video certainly has people talking, especially among Igbo. Some reactions to the video haven't been exactly favorable, with a section of viewers questioning why Kenneth would even take shots at someone like Peter Obi in the first place, who has maintained his political relevance despite various challenges.
Any politician that is not behaving like Simfubara, who will resist and protest when his rights are trampled upon, knowing that our judicial system, knowing that our electoral system have failed us, that any politician who will not stand his ground, no matter the risk to his person, I said I will not speak for that politician again, and I maintain it. And you can see what is happening, because we can't go forward. We calm down. If Simfubara has been saying calm down, do you know where River State would have been? He said he's ready for them. He's fully prepared. The election must go on.
What do you really think is going on? Is Kenneth Okonkwo testing the waters for a future political run, or is this just a case of political banter? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. This is Eboin People TV. Please kindly subscribe, hit the like button, and of course the notification bell, just so you know when a new video pops up.
I am looking for leaders who would say nobody will rig my election, and if you rig my election, I will fight. Nigerians, come out and fight. If they kill anybody, let them kill all of us. Oh yes, and thank God I'm seeing it happen. What Fubara did, was he advocating for violence? Was he advocating that the law should be broken? No, he was advocating for his right. That's my opinion. That's my advocacy. We must advocate for our right and stand by it. I did not disqualify anybody. I don't have that right. I said I am not going to speak for anybody going forward except this person meets this criteria. In any case, we have finished 2023 election. It's over. 2027 election has not come. So anybody who is saying betrayal, what am I betraying? There is nothing on ground. When I was a spokesman in 2023, I did my job creditably well, and we convinced Nigerians on what we believe is right. So the only thing we have to do in this country, we must not be sentimentally attached to anybody, any politician. We must not be loyal to political parties or politicians. We have to be loyal to the country and to the law. And if any law is unjust, we have to fight the law. If anybody is doing anything illegal, no matter who the person is, we have to fight the person. So in Nigeria, we must create the environment so that those 7,000 that we do not know who are leaders will be able to begin to emerge. If the good ones keep quiet, they will never emerge. When people say people are selling their votes, you know why they are selling their votes? Because they believe that even if they vote their conscience, it will not count. Not because they want to be corrupt. They saw what happened in 2023.